Welcome to today's video where we will show you how to find the SWIFT code for Bank of Montreal, BMO. First up, you can check your bank statement. If you have received international wire transfers, your SWIFT code is usually listed there. Next, log into your online banking account. You can typically find the SWIFT code in the international transfers or account details sections. Alternatively, you just contact your branch directly. They'll be happy to provide you with the SWIFT code you need. Another option is using an online lookup tool. Simply enter the details of your bank and you will get the SWIFT code. Now let's talk about what a SWIFT code is. A SWIFT code is a unique identifier for your bank made up of letters and numbers, usually 8 to 11 characters long. It is also known as the Bank Identification Code or BIC. If you bank with a large institution like BMO, each branch may have its own unique SWIFT code. This ensures that international transfers are sent to the right place. And that's all for today's quick guide on finding your BMO Swift code. Thanks for watching and be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips.